Good morning. Baked, hard-boiled, soft-boiled, scrambled, poached, fried, however you make them. Today we're going to be talking about the egg. Besides the shell, on the inside of an egg there are two parts. We have the yolk and the white. Now the white is sometimes called the albumin, but that's actually the protein that's in the white. And the color of that egg yolk is determined by what chickens eat. So if it's a chicken laying an egg on a farm where food scraps are given to it, such as pumpkin or squash, things with a rich color, or perhaps they even get into some dandelions to eat, the yolk is going to be a much deeper yellow-orange color. Now, as we compare these farm eggs to a factory-type chicken farm egg, where they are mass-produced, farm eggs have a much richer, deeper-colored yolk, a thicker shell, and better nutrition. People have often wondered why eggs come in such a variety of colors from the chickens on farms. For example, we can have bluish-green eggs, or speckled eggs, or brown, or off-white, all the way up to white eggs. Now, it really depends on the breed of the chicken. However, a lot of people say, look at the earlobes of the chicken. Well, chickens do have earlobes. It's that colored area on the sides of their heads. And for the most part, about 75% of the time, that is correct. For example, chickens with white earlobes lay white eggs. Chickens with red earlobes lay brownish eggs. However, how about those blue and green eggs? And how about the silky chicken, which is actually laying an off-white egg, but has blue earlobes? So really, it depends on the breed of the chicken. A hen can lay about 300 eggs per year. In the spring and summer, usually it's about an egg a day. However, in the fall, chickens begin to molt or lose their old feathers and grow new ones for the winter. And that takes a little more energy, so the egg laying decreases. As well as the fact that the less daylight hours that we have in the fall and winter lets a chicken know that it's time for its body to rest a little bit. Laying eggs is hard work. Did you know that farm eggs don't need to be refrigerated until they are washed? That's because when a hen lays an egg, there is a special protective coating covering the eggshell when it's laid. It's a natural antibacterial substance called bloom, and it protects and seals those eggs to keep the moisture in and the germs and bacteria out. Now, once those eggs are washed, they do need to be refrigerated, just like store eggs, which have been washed before they've been put in the cartons. Eggs contain protein, minerals, vitamins, especially vitamin D, and essential amino acids good for us. No wonder that eggs are considered one of nature's most perfect foods. Did you know that store eggs are all candled? Candling eggs. Now that's an old term, but it's still done today with every egg that you would buy in the store. Candling an egg means shining a very bright light on the shell and looking to make sure that there are no double yolks, blood spots, or other defects. And speaking of defects, sometimes when you peel a hard-boiled egg, you notice a green area around the yolk. Don't worry, it's safe to eat. That's just a chemical reaction between sulfur and iron producing that color. It may surprise you to learn that there are more chickens on Earth than people. Close to 25 billion chickens inhabit the Earth. They are actually the most plentiful bird on the planet. We'll talk more about chickens at a later date, but I hope you've enjoyed this lesson about eggs. Have a great day.